Hello students, once again welcome to class 8 science. We were discussing chapter 2 microorganism friend and foe. In this video I am going to explain the answers of exercise questions of NCERT book of chapter 2. See the questions, fill in the blanks. Microorganisms can be seen with the help of a, your answer is microscope. Blue green algae fix blank directly from air and enhance fertility of soil. Correct answer is nitrogen. Blue green algae fix nitrogen directly from air and enhance fertility of soil. Alcohol is produced with the help of. Correct answer is yeast. Cholera is caused by. Correct answer is bacteria. Tick the correct answer. Yeast is used in the production of. Your options are sugar, alcohol, hydrochloric acid, and oxygen. But correct answer is alcohol. The following is an antibiotic. Options are sodium bicarbonate, streptomycin, alcohol, and yeast. Correct answer is streptomycin. Carrier of malaria causing protozoan is. Options are female Anopheles mosquito, cockroach, housefly, butterfly. Your answer is female Anopheles mosquito. The most common carrier of communicable diseases is. Options are ant, housefly, dragonfly, spider. Your answer is housefly. The bread or idli dough rises because of. Options are heat, grinding, growth of yeast cells, and kneading. Correct answer is growth of yeast cells. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called. Options are nitrogen fixation, molding, fermentation, infection. Correct answer is fermentation. Match the organism in column A with their action in column B. In column A, organisms are bacteria, rhizobium, lactobacillus, yeast, protozoan, and virus. And their actions are given in this: fixing nitrogen, setting of curd, baking of bread, causing malaria, causing cholera, causing AIDS, producing antibodies. Now you can match bacteria. This is causing cholera. Rhizobium fixing nitrogen. If other options are not given, then you can also correlate this bacteria with this fixing nitrogen. But in this question, rhizobium is given, that's why this will be fixing nitrogen. Lactobacillus, setting of curd. Yeast, baking of bread. A protozoan causing malaria. A virus causing AIDS. Can microorganisms can seen with the naked eye? If not, how can they be seen? Answer is no. Microorganisms are so small in size that they cannot be seen with the naked eyes. How can we see? Some of these, such as the fungus that grows on bread, can be seen with a magnifying glass, and others can be seen with the help of a microscope. What are the major groups of microorganisms? There are four major groups: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and some algae. Name the microorganisms which can fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Your answer is bacteria, such as Rhizobium, Azotobacter, and certain blue-green algae. Actually, these blue-green algae are actually types of bacteria known as cyanobacteria. Can fix atmospheric nitrogen. Okay, Rhizobium, Azotobacter, and certain blue-green algae. In place of blue-green algae, you can also write cyanobacteria. Write 10 lines on the usefulness of microorganisms in our lives. Answer is: bacteria like lactobacillus convert milk into curd. Microorganisms are used in preparation of bread and cake. Bacteria and yeast are also helpful for fermentation of rice idlis and dosa batter. They are also used in cleaning up of the environment and decompose the waste products into manure. Some specific microorganisms are helpful in manufacturing of antibiotics. In agriculture, they are used to increase soil fertility by fixing nitrogen. Yeast is used in the commercial production of alcohol, wine, and bakery products. Microorganisms are used for the large-scale production of acetic acid, that is the main component of vinegar. Bacteria are also involved in the making of cheese, pickles, and many other food items. Dead or weakened microbes are used in the preparation of vaccines. Algae, yeast, fungi, or bacteria may be used as an ingredient or a substitute for protein-rich foods that are suitable for human or animal consumptions. Any 10 you can choose from these. Otherwise, if you have more option or you have the some other usefulness of these microorganisms, you can also add. Write a short paragraph on the harmful effects of microorganisms. Harmful effects of microorganisms are: microorganisms cause diseases in animals. For example, in humans, bacteria cause disease such as tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid, etc. In cattle, the foot and mouth disease is caused by a virus. Also, several microbes cause diseases in plants. For example, the productivity of wheat, orange, apple, etc. is reduced due to microbial diseases in plants. Some microorganisms spoil clothing and leather. Certain microbes, on entering into our body, produces toxic substances. This leads to food poisoning. Or simply we can say that is food poisoning is also due to microorganisms. Some microorganisms such as fungus spoil our food. For example, bread when left unused under moist conditions gets spoiled by fungus, producing a white cotton-like growth on the bread. What are antibiotics? What precautions must be taken while taking antibiotics? The medicines which kill or stop the growth of disease-causing microorganisms called antibiotics. And actually, these are also produced from the microorganisms. Okay, you can also add the medicines which are produced from the microorganisms and kill or stop the growth of the disease-causing microorganisms are called antibiotics. Now, precautions. Antibiotics should be taken only on the advice of a qualified doctor. Must complete the course prescribed by the doctor. Take only when needed and take in correct dose. Antibiotics taken unnecessarily may kill the beneficial bacteria in the body. Antibiotics are not effective against cold and flu as these are caused by viruses. Okay, student, subscribe my channel to get the new videos for the next chapters. Thank you.